this again was this big weekend of partying, or 10 days. I'm not sure they're the right pictures for the background, but you know, we're gonna make it work. I've picked this, so I am going to trim these down. Yeah, and I've only got 3 photos. So I'll be using, there's 2 backgrounds. It's matted on something. There's a scrolly bit down there. You know what? I might do more balloons on this, actually. Balloon dies. Balloon dies. We'll see. And I had thought of stars. And I think I have some in here. Before I go digging in that other container, I thought I would take a quick look. Oh, there's a solid. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Remember we saw a little bathing suit, a girl bathing suit. I don't know if I have any pictures for that, but at least not in this group of pictures. Okay, well, I'm sure there's more in here. And you guys probably see one and they're saying it's right in front of you. Okay, I'm going to go to the other bin. And you know, just to make life easier, I might just leave this whole bin in there. Did I find somewhere else we were going to use stars, weren't we? I can't remember. And star dies. Star dies. Okay. But I do like having some of the littler ones. Just, again, adding some contrast. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3. 3 and 3. Good enough. And then there's itty bitties in there too. Okay, I am just going to scooch everything forward. Let's do that. Okay. And now what else? We're thinking balloons. Now, I don't know now about balloons. Ooh, I should try to get a 65. I think the balloons are just going to be round, and we already have round. So I'll put a question mark. Not sure about that. So what else can we go for here? Film strip? You know what? We could. Let me see in my blues. Okay, I'm just going to put the whole thing in there. And this is a pack of the Irresistibles from Vicki Boutin. I forgot about those too for looking for titles. And what else did we have today? Hello. Oh, there's a little birthday in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, I even see it. Ha! Now, we're going to get it out. Of course, it's at the other end. Come on. Can you see it? It's right there. Okay, well, come on. Let's just, okay, birthday. Captured, what is that heart? Black. What other words? right. Okay, let's just quickly, oh, party, birthday party. Okay, you know what? I'm going to just stick that all aside again. Perfect. We were going to use some dies. What else? What else? I don't think I have any of my flare that will work. Butterflies, that's all very feminine in here. So let's grab my blue bin and see. Oh my gosh, that looks fantastic. Maybe I can put the title in there, sticking out of it maybe. And I like the little hit of black in here too. I think that's kind of neat. What else? Do I have anything else that color? That's okay. I think I will use that. And the other ones are not the same color, so that's okay. Oh, here's a circle. It's a circle, but it's black. It'll bring more black in. I like that. And no doilies. I'll take a look. Hang on. Let me finish in the turquoise blue. Sure. A little bit too bright. No flowers. Oh, how about some hearts? 1 or 3? I never know. I think 1 will do. 1's good. Okay, and then enamel dots I think is about all I think that's all we'll look for. Now we've got pearls. Not really the right blue. I've got browns. That doesn't really go, does it? Oh, now what about this? Oh, they're probably too dark. Well, you know what? I don't mind that. I don't mind that at all. Now, hang on. There's the other bit. I was going to use that ages ago on something and never did. Now, come on, it's stuck. So is that blue? The blue would work, wouldn't it? Okay, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to move the reds up, and I'll stick that random green in that I don't know where it came from, or just stuck from something in there. Okay, we'll put those. Was there not 3? Oh yeah, there's the blue. That can go back. There's another peachy. I feel like we used that on a past layout as well. So I'm going to throw out 2 little packages. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. So we didn't really find any enamel dots. So you know what? I will leave that in there. Okay. So that is 16. Okay, I'm going to stop. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I am back. Next, we have, again, Bowen Island, and I can't recall if I've used these pictures before or not. But looking out our back door, so we've got the ocean in the front, and in the back door, we have 1 deer, 2 deer, and there's a third one there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can see his little antlers at the very least. Again, you might be able to see them here. There's 1, 2 right behind him, and 3. Oh, he's in there. He's a hard one to see, but that's okay. So what I was thinking when I pulled all those dies, I said, here, I have some deer dies, and I will put this in here for this. And again, that's what we'll be doing. So banners of it, and we can embellish with deer. What else can we use? Oh, I had thought about these, if you remember seeing these in my organization series. What about that along the bottom? You know what? I'm going to put it in there. It's kind of neat. I'll throw that in. The pink, there's little pink flowers in there that actually can even match with that. Oh, the boys are all back from their walk. Okay, good. I got one of those used up. And what else? What else? I can't use any of that. This was all... Can I use any butterflies? Sure, if they're not too... Oh, there's another purple. I needed purple somewhere. Remember I made a note? Get more purple of that purple. Hi, boys. Hi. Pretty fun? Okay, put that. And, oh, there's a nice green. What else do we have here? We have dragonflies. Don't think it goes.